This video is for you if you are trying to improve your upper body posture. So there's a multitude of things that go into this, from maybe strengthening your back to stretching out your chest or neck or different things like that. But one of the things about good posture is that it's a habit, and you need to establish some awareness about what your current posture is, and then you need to work on trying to just forcibly improving that a little bit day to day. So again, it just becomes your new norm. And here's basically something you can work on if you're working on your upper body and kind of shoulder posture as a quick reset during the day to check in and upgrade what you're doing. Here's what you want to do. The first thing is you need to be aware of your posture. So the easiest way to build that in, you could set a reminder on your phone multiple times a day. You could, every time you go pee, you could think about, hey, what's my posture right now? Every time you sit up from your desk, take a phone call, find one or two things that you do frequently throughout the day and just associate that with checking in on where your posture is and doing kind of a scan of your body. When you do that, you're gonna, make any adjustments you need to, and here's what you want to think about. You're going to stand up, you're going to squeeze your bum and squeeze your abs as hard as you possibly can. Okay? From there, you're just going to bring it down to maybe about 10%. That's just going to get everything into a good alignment in a way where you don't have to stand like a robot the entire time. So you just need a little bit of tension there. Second thing you're going to do with your shoulders is you're going to rotate your thumbs backward and pull the arms back as far as you can. You're going to hold that as hard as you can just for a few seconds, and then you're going to again bring that level of tension down to about 10% and let the arms just hang. So I didn't allow my shoulders to go forward or to reset that way. I've just brought my arms into neutral like this. And then the last thing you may want to think about is just your chin position. So if that's jutting out way forward, just make sure your head is right on top of your hips. So for most people, that's going to mean just pulling that chin in a little bit. The head is still straight, so I'm not like this or like that, but it's just right on top of my hips instead of sticking out ahead of that. So again, you just want to think about A, squeeze the bum and the abs. B, thumbs back, rotate out, squeeze that really hard, bring it down, and then just bring the hands back to normal, and then address where your head's at. And as you're walking around throughout the day, you want to be conscious of this and keep making those little adjustments. And you need to do this day in and day out, week in and week out, until you get a little bit better and a little bit better, and your improved posture becomes more of the norm.